Hello and welcome. Once you click on the Access link, this is what you will see. To begin using the template, click on the top right corner where it says Duplicate. If you don't have a Notion account yet, simply sign up, it's free. And a copy of the template will appear in the sidebar menu of your workspace. At the top of the page, you will find a menu with 3 different sections. The first section provides quick access to pages and resources that assist with planning. For example, we have the Amazon Bestsellers section. Here you can explore the most popular products in different categories. Then there is the Movers and Shakers page, which allows you to see which products are gaining traction and improving their sales ranking recently. Finally, there is a link to the Creator University page, which offers more resources and tips to help you make the most out of the program. If there is another page you will find yourself visiting often, feel free to add it below. I like using this square emoji for a nice touch. Then type in the name of the page, highlight the text, click on link, paste the URL and select link to web page. This way, with just a single click, you will be able to access it anytime you want.